In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an extension to the Brave toolbar. If you use Brave regularly, pinning your favorite extensions to the toolbar keeps them one click away, saving you time and making your everyday browsing smoother. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect. First, with Brave open, move your eyes to the top right corner of the window. You're looking for the Extensions menu, which appears as a small puzzle piece icon. Depending on your theme and screen size, what it might sit right next to the address bar or just to the right of your profile and menu buttons. If your window is very narrow, make it a bit wider so the puzzle piece is visible. Click that puzzle piece icon to open the Extensions menu. A drop-down will appear showing the extensions currently installed in your browser. This list is simply a quick access area. It doesn't install or uninstall anything. It just helps you manage visibility on the toolbar. If you don't immediately see the extension you're thinking of, scroll through the list carefully. Extensions are listed by name, and many have recognizable icons to help you spot them faster. Next, locate the extension you want to keep on your toolbar. To the right of its name, you'll see a small pin icon. When the pin is gray, that means the extension is not pinned. Go ahead and click that gray pin next to the extension you want. The moment you do, the pin will turn red. That color change is your confirmation that the extension is now set to appear on your toolbar. Look back to the top right of your browser window and you should see the extensions icon appear directly on the toolbar. From now on, you can click that icon anytime to open the extensions panel or access its quick actions without going into the extensions menu. If your toolbar already has a lot of icons, the new one might sit near the edge or in an overflow area. Widening the window can make it easier to spot. That's all there is to it. Open the extensions menu with the puzzle piece, find your extension in the list, click the gray pin so it turns red, and watch for the icon to appear on the toolbar. It's a simple change that can significantly speed up your workflow, especially for extensions you use multiple times a day. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient Brave browsing experience.